Hi, welcome to Lalas World. Today we're going to talk about how to create a Facebook page for a group. First, log onto your Facebook account and look to the left and click on Groups. Next, click on Create Group. A menu will pop up where you will enter your basic information about your group. Here, you'll enter the name of your group. In this example, I will call the group YouTube Tutorials Example. In the next box, you can add people to your group by entering their email addresses. After you do this, you can choose the level of privacy for your group. If you choose private only, members can see who are in the group and what is posted. If you choose public, anyone can see who is in the group and what is posted. Next, if you want your group to be visible or hidden, here's where you would make that choice. After making your selections, click Create. In the next step, I'm going to show you how to create my channel art using a free picture editing website called Canva. From Google, do a quick search on Canva. If you don't have an account, go ahead and create one. I already have an account and I'm logged in. So from here, I'm just going to create a design and I'm going to use custom dimensions. For Facebook group covers, the best photo size is 1640 by 856 pixels. So I'll just simply type that in the box and create new design. The thing about Canva, they have a lot of pre-made templates, and that makes it easier for you to create your design. And once you have the design that you want, you would click the drop-down arrow to publish and download it. Once you have the background photo that you want, you can drag it to the photo section to upload your customized photo. And then click Save to the bottom right corner. After you get your photo uploaded, you can choose the members and moderators in your group. You can create an event for your group, add photos, create a watch party, moderate your group. In the moderation section, here you can edit your group settings in more detail, such as the group type, which can be a general group that does buying and selling, gaming, social learning, or a job group, or a work group once you have your settings to your liking, and click Save. Next, a description is really important for your group because it tells people what type of group you have and what to expect by joining your group. You can also choose the location if you want to create a localized group. Tags or keywords will help people find your group easier. And lastly, if you want to attach apps to your group, you can do that from here. If you want a custom web address for your group, you can type it in this section. Also, you can choose the color you want your group page to be. In terms of membership approvals, you can choose anyone in the group, or if admins and moderators can choose who is approved. If you allow pre-approvals for membership, you can choose a file to upload and no one in your upvote section is needed to join. For even more security, you can have potential members ask questions they need to answer in order to join. You simply input the question and choose the type of answer that is given. Also, you can create group rules that regulate courtesy within your group. You can also allow membership requests from pages. When you want to post, you simply type it here and type your post and click Post. Lastly, if you want to leave a group, click Members, then the three dots on the right, then click Leave Group, and then Leave and Delete. Please note, all the moderators have to be deleted before you can fully leave and delete the group. Well, thanks for watching how to create a Facebook page for a group. If you have any questions, be sure to leave them down below. Also, be sure to comment, subscribe, like, and share. Don't forget to check out the other videos on this channel.